shadows fall, forgotten names begin to call. The wind still whispers through the flame, a voice that dares to speak my name. Through the silence, through the storm, I was never truly gone. I remember who I am, the vow I made beneath the stars. Even when the light was gone, I held the fire in my heart, and I will rise again.